Montmartre, called the Heaven of Peace, had been home to famous artists like Picasso and Van Gogh. Love locks on various locations in the city prove that Paris is the city of love. The Basilica of Sacre-Cœur de Montmartre, commonly known as Sacré-Cœur Basilica, is a Roman Catholic church and minor basilica in Paris, dedicated to the Sacred Heart of Jesus. Standing under the painting of Jesus in the church felt like an embrace from the Christ. There are always very long queues to enter the church. Try to plan your visit time keeping this fact in mind. From the top of Montmartre, one can enjoy a stunning view of Paris. The cityscape spreads out below, with its iconic landmarks such as the Eiffel Tower and the Arc de Triomphe. The view is particularly enchanting during sunset, when the golden light bathes the city in a warm glow, and the lights of the city begin to twinkle against the darkening sky. It's no wonder that this view has inspired countless artists over the years, as it truly captures the magic and romance of Paris. To watch more of my videos, please subscribe.